from you, or can you shove them to your left?
You can shove him up or down, but it has to be away from you. Like, it can't be around you.
Okay, so like if he walked up to here, I could shove him left off.
You could, yep.
Okay, well then I want to ready in action if someone walks here to shove.
All right.
Push him.
All right, start of turn. What's DC's 14?
Yep.
Is it dexterity?
Yes.
Versus being restrained. I'll just do this. Okay, this is why I love map tools. Boom, calculated. All right. Difficult terrain. Let me move these guys first. This one will move up to here and attack Ronnie.
No. Why do you do this? I told you to grab the dog.
All right, Ronnie is down. He whimpers
As he should
pathetically
be.
and cries out for help.
Peppa hands.
This one will double move to escape. This one will double move to here. Hut, 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 hut.
Ronnie!
Okay, looks good to me. The car.
Oh, God.
Look, man, don't do it. I know you want to. You don't have to, all right? It's just a
give
fucking
me a
dog.
sec-
The car's just a dog.
Oh, it's just a dog. It's just ah!
We're gonna die. Look, all I'm saying, if that dog was a person and experienced everything you've experienced up until this point in your life, all the failures and crushing depressions, would you think that he would risk his life for you?
All right.
The answer's no, because he wouldn't have the fortitude to overcome everything that crushed his spirit all
Look,
throughout his whole
I'm
life.
making a very difficult decision right now.
Look, all I'm saying is I wouldn't do it. And Scrubbo continues waddling away, presumably.
He's got 3 turns, right?
Yes.
That's what we established
3
previously.
saves. Yep.
All right.